So here we are, day 12 of the recovery. It's October 6th today. Actually get my staples out in 2 days. I haven't done an update since day 8 because things have been pretty standard. So there was nothing really to report. Not last night, but the night before. I was trying to get comfortable in bed and I was on my right side and I swung my left leg over because I couldn't push my way back. I was trying to kind of tilt my pelvis forward more towards the mattress and to be closer to on my stomach, but obviously I can't be on my stomach. And so I swung my leg down over the edge of the bed and kind of heard something crack and or move, or can't remember exactly what the sound was, but there was definitely a sound and a feeling down there. And then I woke up at about 2 a.m. and so it was no big deal. And my wife actually pulled me back into the bed so I could kind of get comfy. And then I woke up at 2 a.m. and I couldn't sleep, so I came out to my recliner here and I just started having numbness all the way down both of my legs, which I've never had. I've usually only had it in that right leg, and that lasted till well into the next day, which was day 11 yesterday. So it wasn't too bad towards bedtime. And I went to sleep, and I popped a pill before I went to bed. Again, only the 5 milligrams of oxycodone and 325 milligrams of acetaminophen. But woke up at 3 a.m. and the front of my calves just seemed, the front of my legs, the muscles just seemed to be on fire. And obviously, it was something in the nervous system there, and that kind of haunted me most of the day. And then most of this evening, I've actually just had kind of a pain emanating in like regular sciatic pain emanating in my right sacroiliac joint, wherever that is down there in your butt cheek there, and down my right leg. So hopefully nothing too serious. I'm wondering if maybe those discs that are in there when I swung my leg down 2 nights ago, if my disc maybe twisted or rotated in there. That was my immediate thought, but hopefully that's not the case. But other than that, pain's been pretty good. I went for a walk yesterday. It was about 500 steps, but I actually got outside. And then today I was forced to run a couple errands, go with people that drove me to do a couple errands that we had to get done. But other than that, things have been going pretty good. I'm a little bit concerned about the nerve pain and those issues associated with that. And I'm pretty sure it emanated from just trying to get comfortable in bed. And they say no twisting, and what I really did was just really twist my spine, just not thinking about that. So be careful when you're moving around in bed, and definitely don't do what I did. I'm just hoping that if I get another x-ray that those things haven't moved. So anyways, that's kind of my update. Everything's going pretty good still, and I'm a little bit more active each day, and apart from a little bit of nerve pain I've got going on here, everything's still pretty good. Hope that helps. Talk soon.